So going back to getting my dog's food delivered, and I decided to try out these guys, Ollie's. So let's see what dude got. Okay, nice silicone bowl and spoon. That's nice. Let's see what else Ollie gave us. That's pretty cool. And it was delivered right to my front door. Not gonna lie, it took a second to get here for some reason. It was up the street, maybe about 25 minutes away. So, oh no, I can't feed my dog any of this stuff because it's all hot. That sucks. So we're back. They sent out a new package. That was really quick. So it took 2 days to get the new package. And this is how it is. So, as you see, ice cream. It's still frozen. You have some beef or sweet potatoes. Same thing. Turkey with blueberries and chicken with carrots. Thank you, Ollie. That was quick service. They answered the phone within 3 rings and got this shipped out quick. I appreciate it.